Down the left side, here's a long throw. Caught at the 50-yard line. To the 40 in the middle of the field. To the 20. Beats a man band. 10, 5, touchdown Tigers! Up for grabs. Intercepted! 50. Big lineman. 40, 30. Wow. They're not going to catch him. Go. 10, touchdown, U of M. Here's a throw, right side of the end zone. That is caught, touchdown Tigers, Phil Mayhew. Grounded, it's loose, picked up by the Tigers, right at the 32-yard line. A fumble, and Michael Edwards right there. Got pressure, fumbled the football, picked off in the air by the Tigers. 30, down the right side, 40, into Kansas territory. Handoff, tries left side, breaks 3 tackles, still on his feet to the 2, to the 1, does he lean in and get it? Touchdown, Tigers! $43-7, that is your final.